Bula, good morning, Yandra, whichever you like. You might have got the message, okay? It's pretty simple, right? We said it 3 times. So what we're hoping to do for the next game against the Rebels, which is a double header, I'm sure people know that, but I'll just state the obvious. So you've got 2 games between the Super W champions, the Fijian Drua, and ourselves playing the Rebels. And our aim, which we hope with the world's best fans' support, we will be able to achieve, is we want to try and sell out Super. Hasn't been done for quite a long time. Hasn't been done, certainly wasn't done last year for the Highlanders games. It wasn't far away. It was just over 13,000 in the crowd. It's a 15,000-seater stadium. And this one will surprise some people. We haven't sold the soccer out either. In either of the games. We didn't sell it out last year against the Chiefs, and we didn't sell it out last weekend against the Crusaders. It just looks full on television. And one of the things we're asking your help for is to actually not call it a sellout unless it actually is. It puts people off. We made a big mistake last week when we sold out certain sections. We in lots of markets, when you do that, you say, yes, South sold out, and that encourages people to buy more. Not so much in Fiji. People didn't get past sold out. I don't think they read the rest of the sentence. And we generally got loads of people say, oh, no, it's sold out. No, it's not. No, it's not. It's just that little stand over there. So we're not going to do that anymore. Okay, but if we could ask the media's help to actually also not say it's sold out when it isn't, that would be really, really helpful. And we're going to come to the party as well, so it's no good us just begging people to come. We've got to make it more attractive for people. So we brought down the prices for this year quite significantly. There's a press release, the details will be in that. But we brought down the prices none of the prices have gone up anywhere, and for 13 of the 15,000 seats, prices have come down compared to last year. Okay, so for example, you can now get a seat in the grandstand for $100. You can get a place on the concrete embankment for $45. The average price of the grass banks is down to $27.50 So we've basically brought every single ticket price down, except for the ones right in the middle of the grandstand, which are mainly VIPs and sponsors anyway, to be frank. But there are a few tickets there for the general public, and they're the best seats in the house, and we don't feel at all uncomfortable keeping them at 180. But it then drops away quite quickly, much cheap, better value than last year. And we will do the same at Latoka for Game 2 and Game 3, and we will keep these prices the same at Suva for Game 2 and Game 3, all right? Because we got the world's best fans and the support, world's best fans and the world's best rugby supporting tree, I now notice from some of the social media. So if you haven't seen that, put your hand up if you haven't seen it. You've all seen it? Well, so far, I think it's brilliant. Right, so I'm not sure that tree had a ticket. That's my only problem with that, is that tree got in free, and I got a real problem with people coming in free, right? But nevertheless, it was a great shot. It's gone round the world. It's a wonderful avatar. It's a wonderful sort of showcase for the country. I've been inundated with people from Europe and friends and all the rest of it. Sort of, who've seen the highlights, they've seen the tries. It's going all over the world. So it would be even better if we could actually sell everything out regularly. And to help us do that, we know we've got to make it more affordable. So we think we've done that as much as, we've still got to run a business, but we think we've done that. And hopefully, with the new pricing policies, even more people